Hello everyone, welcome to Clickbait. My name is KB and today I'm gonna show you how you can turn your Android phone into a PC, kind of PC. It will give you a interface of PC. It will look like a PC. If you have a tablet, it will be good and you will have a better experience. So if you have a phone, you can still try it. I also have a phone and so I have tried and it works good, but it's an beta version and it is not for professional use or professional work. But if you want to feel the feeling of PC, then you can try this. So I have these two programs or these two apps, Endamom and the Lena launcher. So one is launcher, eventually both of them are launcher. Okay, so I'm gonna go and start with the Endamom. Okay, when you open the Endamom for the first time, you will have this screen option and you can select the resolution of your screen: normal, large, extra large, small and tiny. So I'm gonna go with the normal and hit on OK. And yeah, now what you will see is the Endamom will be here in the top of your status bar. But there is one more thing, that Endamom can do more than it looks like. Let me show you the thing first. This is how it looks like now. As you can see, my tablet has turned into a PC, kind of PC, and there's a trash can, browser, a file explorer, video player, music, calculator, and the Minesweeper. There is a product of Endamom where you can get more information. I will put link in the description for the official website of the Endamom, how it works, and it is really great app if you can afford the external monitor, or you will get to know everything in official site. So I will put link in the description. Go and visit and let's do some shitty things inside the Endamom. What you can do, it's also allow you to do the multitasking. What I mean is, as you do on the PC. So but there is a limitation is that what it contains, the app that is only be able to multitask, like for file explorer of the this thing, the Endamom, you can do, then you can open the browser. As you can see, I am doing the multitasking now. You can also do the resize like this. You can size it up, size it down, and you can open another things like the music player, but I don't think I have any music in my okay, so I have to search for music, but I don't have any music, so I'm gonna leave it as it is. Okay, so over here in the bottom you will see something like the Windows 10 or Windows 7, and there's Endamom apps. These are the apps only which can do the multitasking. Now when you go here, untested apps, inside you will find all of your installed apps, and we can just log out from here to exit this. Just gonna log out and it will say suspending Endamom OS. So let's go into the Lena launcher. This is actually launcher. You can set it as default launcher, but you cannot do this in Endamom. So we're gonna go inside the Lena launcher and launch it, and as you can see, this is a pretty looking thing. You can also access your taskbar. The Endamom is still running, so you can just hit on shutdown OS. You can hit on that and it will shut down the OS, and now as you can see, that is gone now. So let's explore the Lena launcher. It is similar, and you can also do the multitasking like this, and yeah, you can also resize everything, but it is way faster than the Endamom, I guess. Yeah, so for example, Twitter, I'm gonna explore the Twitter now, and for example this one, Facebook, Twitter, and this is really cool. As you can see, I'm doing a multitasking here, and let me manage my screen first. As you can see, everything is working just fine. You can do multitasking inside this, but it is also limited to the what Lena launcher provide us. That app is only able to multitask, like we can only multitask them which Lena launcher provide us. Okay, so one more thing, we can zoom and zoom out our desktop here. As you can see, I zoomed in and I'm gonna zoom out. Really cool. And you can also go full screen by tapping here, and it will go full screen of which app you have opened. Okay, it's really cool. But this has a little more than the Endamom. As you can see, there is a bar where you can access all of your apps. You can resize that like this, and you can also go full screen and browse your apps, installed apps. Really cool. So keep that in mind, that this allows us to do multitasking, and also it is a launcher. You can set it as default. Really cool. And I'm gonna go back, and hope you enjoyed it, guys. That was all, and it is fun to play with these things. If you want, then it is not for professional users, but if you like to do multitasking like this, if your phone doesn't allow you to do the multitasking, like if you don't have a Android Marshmallow above, that might be very difficult to do the multitasking, or you have to buy the Samsung Note Galaxy, which allow you to really do the multitasking with all of the apps. So but this is for fun, and maybe some of you guys are looking for this. If it helps, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, I will put link in the description for all of these to download, and also I put the link in the description for the Endamom OS. Get to know more about the Endamom. That is really cool. If you go visit the official site of the Endamom, you will get lots of things to know about that. Okay, so that's all. Yeah, I will see you in the next one. Take care of yourself and have fun. Bye.